300,000 American bison roam ranches across the West. When processed for meat, their hides become something unexpected.
Keep coming back, easy now. All right, hold it right there, we're clear.
Check this section here.
Yeah, that's a good brand mark. The thickness is excellent too.
That's a premium grade at 8 to 5 pounds.
Okay, I am printing the traceability tag now.
From $200 raw to $800 finished, 9 times value added through craftsmanship.
%40 stronger than cowhide, 4 times more abrasion resistant, natural water resistance from denser fiber structure.
Garment leather specifications are 1.0 to 1.2 millimeters. This one is 1.15. It passes quality control.
Through-dyed leather, full penetration.
$15,000 bison hides processed annually at this facility, 300 weekly, each spending 3 weeks moving through 50 processing steps. Top grade bison leather,
$40 per square foot. One hide yielding 35 square feet, $1,400 of premium material.
I'm noting a slight color variation here near the edge. The scar tissue is minimal, however. This should pass as grade A.
'89, 300 bison remained, near extinction. Today, over 500,000. Sustainable ranching brought them back.
Water treatment systems, environmental responsibility, clean discharge.
We collect all leather shavings and trim for beneficial use. Some are recycled into fiberboard.
Bison leather isn't just material, it's American heritage. Conservation success becoming luxury product. This is the story of bison leather.
American bison leather, pride and craftsmanship. Over 50,000 jobs created, 10,000 acres consumed.
For a closer look into the world of luxury manufacturing, make sure you subscribe to Behind the Factory.